Model, 58-plate Vauxhall Vivaro 27002.0 CDTI, 90 PS, short wheelbase, STD roof. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 144,102. MOT, the 2nd of June 2025. Engine, 1995 CCM9R, 90 bhp. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts and runs with a slight misfire. Needs injector number 1 replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Dill pulls in every gear. Straightforward injector replacement job, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, parking sensors, reversing camera. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.